Thanksgiving Day. Here are bulls and calves and cows. Aren't they sweet? And the cattle egret. The white egret that like to hang out with the cattle and eat the buggy bugs off of them and around them. And oh, hello. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. I am Nancy, the nature girl. Step out in it. See what you see today. We are enjoying grazing. We're gonna graze all day, aren't we? Thanksgiving Day. And the little cattle egret too. Yummy, yummy. Oh, I'm right behind that cow. Gathering up some yummy victuals. Okay, see what you see today. Oh, I'm having a little drink. Oh, it's a new baby. Having a little drink. Fresh milk. All right. Over and out. See what you see today.